You want something smooth and, of course, delicious that you can prepare in your own kitchen. Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with Nutter Butter Cheesecake. So let's get started. Let's make the crust. Butter makes everything taste better. Set your timer for 10 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Now that the crust is done, let's prepare the filling. Let's build the cheesecake. Set your timer for 60 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Peanut butter has a surprisingly rich and layered history. The Incas and the Aztecs were the first to grind peanuts into paste. During World Wars I and II, peanut butter increased in popularity during periods of meat rationing. During the Great Depression, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches emerged as cheap, nutritious comfort food for many households in America and around the world. Let's make the peanut butter topping. Set your timer for 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes to set the topping. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Let's get a portion of this amazing cheesecake on a plate. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, that is really good. This cheesecake is smooth, blending cream cheese and peanut butter for a perfectly balanced melt-in-your-mouth texture. I'm gonna have a little bit more. Topped with pieces of Nutter Butter cookies, this cheesecake is a cheesecake lover's dream come true. You, your guests, and family will absolutely love it. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one smooth and delicious cheesecake. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.